This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode in Instagram. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Instagram. To enable dark mode in Instagram, it's very easy to do. As you can see, I have light mode on right now. To enable dark mode, you just need to go down to the lower left-hand corner to where it says More and click on More. Then you want to go up to where it says Switch Appearance. And then right down here, you can see it says dark mode here, and it is not toggled on. If I toggle it on, there is dark mode. And to turn it back off, if you don't want it on, to turn it back off, you just repeat the same steps. Go down to the bottom down here, click on More. Then you want to go up to Switch Appearance, and you'll toggle it back off. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on Instagram. Thanks for watching.